You know what's crazy? While you were out there scrolling Instagram yesterday, a mom in Phoenix made 94 bucks, not from an MLM, not from affiliate marketing, from something she built during her kids' nap time. And I'm about to show you how she did it. Look, I did a recent episode that completely blew my mind. It was about Lisa, dental hygienist, mom of three. She turned her biggest parent frustration into $2,847 last month. Here, my friends, is how that happened. She was planning her kid's birthday party for the third time this year. Because let's be honest, when you have three kids, you're always planning something, right? Go ahead and nod. I get it. Raise your hand if you feel me. Okay. And she found herself Googling again birthday party checklist for what was probably the 100th time in her life. That's when it hit her. Instead of Googling the same damn thing over and over and over again, why not just go ahead and build the solution? So during nap time, literally while her kids were sleeping, Sarah built what she now calls the Party Planning Pro. It was a custom GPT, basically an AI assistant that helps those overwhelmed parents out there plan some stress-free birthday parties. Now, here's where it really gets interesting. Lisa had never written a line of code. She's not a tech genius. She was just a tired parent who was fed up with the same problems showing up in her life over and over and over again. The build process took 73 minutes. That's it. One nap time session. The result, $2,847 in revenue last month from other parents who are desperately needing the same solution. So here's what really got my attention. Lisa isn't alone. Parents across the country are discovering that their daily frustrations are actually market opportunities in disguise. Yeah, and they're out there turning these pain points into profitable AI solutions faster than traditional entrepreneurs can even identify the problem. So the question becomes, why are the parents winning? Because they don't need market research. We are the market. You are the market. You parents, right? You get it. You live those problems every single day. Look, the custom GPT gold rush, it's happening right now. It's been happening for a little bit now. And you parents have a massive advantage because you actually understand the real problems. You understand the solutions that you're looking for. But here's the thing. The window isn't going to stay open forever. If you want Lisa's exact 3-step system, the 15-minute pain point on it, the nap time build process, and the family proof launch strategy, I break it down in the full podcast episode. The link will be down below. You can get that complete strategy down in the link below. Your kids need you present, not stressed out about money. This could be your path to both. The link's down in the description. Don't wait on this one. Think successfully and take action.